All right, this might ruffle some feathers, but I'm going to say it anyway. You'll never feel truly free if you keep calling yourself an alcoholic. I don't care if you haven't touched a drink in 12 months, 5 years, 10 years. If you're still holding that label, you're still holding the weight. Because you're telling your subconscious, this thing still has power over me. That's not freedom, that's a life sentence you don't need to keep. Now, I'm passionate about this because I've lived both. I went the willpower path, which was once an alcoholic, always an alcoholic, which was a constant struggle, versus the identity and core belief shift, which is, I am more me without it, which is freedom. I stopped seeing alcohol as something of value, something to fight against, and I started seeing it for what it really is. A socially accepted poison with a PR team. So drop the label, drop the fight. You don't need recovery. You need a new identity.